Continuing with the rules of correction, today we would study rule number 20. In rule number 20, we will discuss if two nouns or pronouns that are subjects are joined together with as well as verb or helping verb is used according to the starting former noun or pronoun. So this is the rule that we need to understand, that if there are two nouns or two pronouns that are used as subjects, that these pronouns are functioning as subjects, if these have been joined together by as well as, then what will be the rule for using the verb or helping verb? So in this case it has been decided, and this is the rule, that verb or helping verb would take form according to the first noun or pronoun that is subject. For the use of the pronoun and the verb or the helping verb, we have to take into consideration the first one, that whichever comes the first, that is the main target of using the verb or helping verb. In this case we can see he as well as I have reached safely. In this sentence we can see that there are two now pronouns, he and I. He and I are the two pronouns that have been used as subjects, and they have been joined together by as well as. So we see that have has been highlighted in the red. If we see that have has been used according to I, but I is not the starting or the former pronoun. The starting or the former pronoun is he. While using the helping verb uh, have, as we can see here, we will not use it according to I, rather we would use it according to he. So have is not used with he, rather in the correct sentence we can see that he as well as I has reached safely. So in this we can see that has been used keeping in mind he, because this would be used according to he, not I, and with he has is used instead of have. So the incorrect sentence, he as well as I have reached safely, is incorrect. He as well as I has reached safely is the correct expression. Continuing with the same rule, with two more examples. She as well as I respect elders. So in this sentence we see that respect has been used according to I, whereas I is not the initiating or the starting subject, rather it is she. So respect would be used according to she, not I. In this way, uh, s would be added to the first form of the verb, because she is a third person singular pronoun, and third person singular pronoun takes s with the first form of the verb. So she as well as I respect elders is incorrect sentence, because respect has been used according to I, that is the second subject or the second pronoun, whereas the rule is that it is used according to the first subject or pronoun, and the first subject or pronoun is she. So this would be changed and substituted by respects. So the incorrect sentence is she as well as I respect elders is the incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is she as well as I respects elders. This is the correct sentence. Similarly, the next example is they as well as she was absent. Verb is was, that has been used according to she, that is the second pronoun. Whereas the rule is that verb or helping verb is used according to the first subject, the first pronoun, and that is they. So we will not use was keeping in mind she, rather we would use were according to they, because they is the first subject, the former subject in the sentence, and that will be the criteria for using the verb in the sentence. They as well as she was absent is the incorrect sentence, and the correct sentence is they as well as she were present is the correct sentence. So was has been replaced by were, because were is used according to they, and they is the first or the former pronoun in this sentence, and the two pronouns are nouns joined together by as well as. Verb or helping verb is used according to the former or the first pronoun, that is they, here in this sentence. So this is the main thing that we need to consider uh, while using verb or helping verb in the sentences that have used as well as for joining two nouns or pronouns, which are also called as subjects. Rule number 21: if two nouns or pronouns subjects are joined with either or neither nor, verb or helping verb is used according to the noun or pronoun subject. As we have discussed in the previous rule, as well as uh, in this rule, we come to know that verb or helping verb is used according to the later or the second pronoun that has been used in that sentence. Uh, in this case, we can see like that if neither nor either or this construction is used in the sentence, then the verb or helping verb will be used according to the later pronoun, that we need to keep in mind while using this one. For example, we see that either he or his friend is in the wrong. So here are two pronouns, he and his friends. These are the two pronouns or two subjects. He is the first one or the former one. His friends is the second one or the later one. So the rule says that verb or helping verb will be used according to the second noun or pronoun, that is his friends. And his friend is plural, so it would not take is, rather it would take are in this sentence. So either he or his friends is in the wrong is incorrect, because is has been used according to the first pronoun he. The rule is that it will be used according to the nearest verb, nearest noun or pronoun, that is his friends. So his would be replaced by are. So either he or his friends is in the wrong is incorrect sentence, whereas either he or his friends are in the wrong is the correct expression in this sentence. Continuing with the same rule, the next two examples are here. Neither he nor you has joined. Has been highlighted in the red because it has been used according to the first or the former pronoun he, whereas the rule says that it will be used according to the later or the second pronoun, that is you. So this has, the helping verb will not be used according to he, that is the first or the former pronoun. Rather, it will be used according to the second or the later pronoun, that is you. So has would be replaced by have, because you is followed by have instead of has. And the rule says that the helping verb or the verb or the helping verb in the sentences and then the pronoun that have been joined together by either or neither nor, they would also be used according to the second pronoun. So in this case, it would not be has, rather it would be have. So neither he nor you has joined is the incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is neither he nor you have joined. So, have is the correct verb according to helping verb according to you, not has. So, the incorrect sentence is neither he nor you has joined, and the correct sentence is neither he nor you have joined. The third example is neither you nor Aslam live here. So the verb is live in this sentence, and live has been used according to you because you takes first form without s in present indefinite tense, whereas the rule says that it would be used according to Aslam, that is the second noun. So it would take the s form with it, not just the simple first form of the verb. So neither you nor Aslam. So this is the incorrect use of the verb. Uh, we have to use the verb according to Aslam, that is third person pronoun, noun. So it would take s with it. So neither you nor Aslam live here is incorrect. The correct sentence is neither you nor Aslam lives here. This is the correct sentence that we need to take because s would be added to the first form of the verb in case of Aslam. So Aslam is the nearest or the second pronoun in the sentence. So that is why we would use s with it. Rule number 22. If two nouns or pronouns subjects are joined with and, plural verb or helping verb is used. Unlike the previous two rules of as well as and either or neither nor, in this rule we come to know that when and has been used for joining together two verbs, two nouns or pronouns or two subjects, then these two would be dealt as plural. Hence, the verb or helping verb used with them would be plural. He and I am friends. In this case, we can see he is singular, I is singular. He should take is, I should take am. But the rule says that no. When two pronouns or nouns or subjects are joined together with and, they would be dealt as plural. So neither is of he will be used, nor am of I would be used, but they would be considered as plural, and the plural form of is am is are. So here we would use he and I are friends. So are has taken the plural form, not following he or I. So the incorrect sentence is he and I am friends is incorrect because of am, and he and I are friends is the correct sentence as are has replaced am. The next two examples, Ali and Naila was present in the class. Ali and Naila both are singular, but when they have been joined together, they would become plural. So uh, the verb used with them would be the plural one, and the plural verb for was is were. Ali and Naila were present in the class is the correct sentence, whereas Ali and Naila were present in the class is incorrect because of was. Was is used with the singular, whereas we have to use with the plural. Two and two makes four. Uh, makes is the um, first form of the verb, and s is, has been used. But the rule says that we would use the plural form because they would be used as plural. So two and two makes four is the incorrect sentence. Two and two make four is the correct expression for this sentence. So this is the main point that we need to consider, that uh, joined with and would take the plural form with all these two words. So two and two makes four is the incorrect expression, and two and two make four is the correct expression.